Hello, I am Sam from Trix. Today we will learn the process of adding your design in a PSD Mockup file. First go to your downloads and find the zip file you have downloaded. Then unzip the mockup.zip file with WinRAR or other extracting software. After that, open the unzipped folder and find out the mockup.psd file with Photoshop. Now wait for opening the file in Photoshop. When the file is fully loaded in Photoshop, go to the Layer section and find the Add Your Design or Work-like layer. Now double-click on that layer. After that, you will redirect to a new workspace. Now delete the default design and put your design on that window. You can simply do that by drag and drop your design on that window. After placing your design, let's resize the design and hit Ctrl+S or go to File and click on Save and close the file. Congratulations! You are done with your mockup placement. Now press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+S and save your file in desired image format.